Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of any new videos that I do regarding making money online. Stay to the end please, because I'll show you how you can just get hold of my free course for high ticket affiliate marketing and how you can earn $1,000 commissions plus. I have a free course that you can just download completely free. You can watch and enjoy and learn all about high ticket affiliate marketing. Anyway, for this video, just leading on from something that we did last time, which was creating simple PDF documents to promote affiliate products, and I just showed you how I created just one about basically cats, and I was promoting inside the ebook. I was putting links and images connected to affiliate products which are found on Amazon, all connected to cats, and how you would solve a problem like scratching, where you can buy scratching posts on Amazon. So you outline in the actual report all about the information, why cats do scratch, and the solution, which is scratching posts and cat trees, that type of thing. It stops them scratching the furniture, wallpaper, etc., and the carpet. But we just covered that last time. I just want to outline something I didn't really include last time, which was where you can distribute your actual report. And this is a website called Scribd, SCRIBD.com. And this is a great place. People can just have a simple subscription, quite cheap, and they can read books and ebooks, reports and documents, all types of things, audio books, whatever they want to listen to or read. So this is Scribd, but it gets a lot of traffic. So I've just uploaded these 4 documents, PDF documents, only 5 minutes ago. How to take care of your cat and keep it happy, how to stop your cat from spraying. These are the main problems that people have with cats. How to stop your cat fighting and biting, and how to stop your cat from scratching. And these are simple PDF files, only 15 pages, 13 pages, 14, 13. Actually, that's had 2 reads already. I've only uploaded it 20 minutes ago. But this is Scribd. So all you have to do is just upload your document here. Just click on that link there and upload your document. Select your documents from your file on your computer, upload them. Just put a decent description, including the keywords and all that type of thing. And you can also put the actual link to the download on different websites if you wanted. But this is a great place to promote things. I mean, if it just show an example of it, putting dog training in here. You can see what options they have for people. So they have books, they have audio books, they have snapshots, documents. You see these are PDF documents, and just simple articles, 1 minute read, 5-minute read. There's all sorts of options that you can do just to, this is to get your links clicked, your affiliate links clicked when they're embedded in some decent content. So there's some lots of this dog, does that just say dog basics and training? So it's a PDF file. And you can see by this it's had 507 views. Very basic stuff, and you can see here just on the second page that they've put this, it's just a marketing resource not connected to dogs at all, which I wouldn't, is not the best method to do. There's no connection at all. This is brought to you by the team at Daily Niche Idea. When you click on that link, so you can see you put hyperlinks in your content, it takes you to an affiliate product, which is there's our affiliate ID.
Are you tired of struggling to earn significant affiliate income?
Yes, be quiet please. So you can see that this is their affiliate link, the ID 8658. So if you buy this, they will receive a commission. But like I say, this is to do with affiliate marketing. I think they're selling. Oh yeah. They're basically selling like funnels and that type of thing to help you promote products. This is it. This is what they're selling. But this is an affiliate product that was connected to that PDF file on Scribd. and that's how basically how you can do it. I mean, if that ebook was connected to affiliate marketing and it had this link to this, then I would say absolutely fine. But the amount of people that's going to open this dog training file and then be interested in affiliate marketing is quite remote, isn't it? So they've got that all wrong. But that's basically how you do it. You just insert your affiliate links inside the ebook and place it on places like Scribd here. Very, very simple to do. And let's have a look at Scribd on SimilarWeb, and you can see that they average about 85 million views per month, which is a lot of traffic. It doesn't take you long to upload a document or a PDF document on any subject, whatever you want. You go into ClickBank and JVZoo and you can find anything on I don't know, horse riding, dog training, cat behaviour, how to win at poker, anything. All these affiliate products which are found on ClickBank, which you can promote in just about every niche imaginable, all diet, fitness, anything. You can put a simple report together and put it on places like Scribd, as you can see here. A lot of traffic. But there are some others as well. This one's Calameo or Calameo. This one receives an average of 13 million a month as well. Another website where you can upload your documents for free. And another one is Issuu, is ISSUU.com. Another place where you can upload your files completely free. People can read them as when they have part of the subscription, and then they can click on your links and buy. Obviously, it's just a numbers game. The more files and documents you upload to these websites, the better. But this one's nearly 40 million a month. You can see major traffic that they're getting, and you can upload documents and files in any niche. All different types of niches, just keep churning them out. You can see all these Scribd alternatives. Here you can see more opportunities to upload your documents on different websites. But it all means more traffic to your links, and the more clicks you get on your links, the more commission you will make. Well, it's very simple to do. So look at my downloads again. But this is just like leading on from what we talked about last week, taking the next step really. So you can see here all these just 4 files I just uploaded quickly, all very small files, 15 pages. It's nothing, isn't it? But this could be about absolutely anything and anything what people are interested in. Affiliate marketing, anything, digital marketing. Like I say, whatever niche you want, sewing, knitting, it could be anything. As long as they're an affiliate product, you can put the affiliate links in the PDF file, which you can do on Google Docs. It's just very simple and straightforward way of promoting affiliate products without a website. You do not need a website to do this. You can get started straight away. And like I said last time, if you're not sure about writing, doing your own writing, you can get somebody on Fiverr to do this for very cheaply. They do it probably for this size of file, 15 pages, they'll probably do for about $5-7. So it's nothing really, is it? It saves you a lot of time just outsourcing it to freelancers if you didn't want to do the writing yourself. But that's it for today. Just quite a simple way how you can promote affiliate products without a website, leveraging all the traffic that they get from Scribd and things like Issuu.com. But these are major traffic these websites are getting. So why not get your slice and get people to click on your affiliate links and make some money online without having to worry about getting a domain name and hosting and uploading everything to a WordPress website. All takes time. You can start making money practically straight away using this once your files are completed. It's so easy to upload and away you go. The more files you do, the better. Anyway, that's another quick way to make money online. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for your time today. As I said at the beginning, if you're interested in high ticket affiliate marketing, which is what I do. I've done a 90-minute course, absolutely free to my subscribers. And you can just download that in the description below. You're very welcome to join me. It's about 3 videos that you can just watch at your leisure, and it'll show you how you can make these big 1,000 plus commissions with promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products and services. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Mark Anthony, and I'll see you next time in the next money making video. Take care of yourself. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye for now.